Pinokio versus LM Studio. Which one is actually better? Short answer, depends. Both Pinokio and LM Studio are free for personal use. Pinokio wins if you want one-click AI app installation with minimal setup. LM Studio wins if you want full control over local language models, hardware settings, and APIs. Here's the full breakdown. Here are the three things that actually matter about these products. 1. They solve very different problems. Pinokio is called a one-click install platform because it can automatically download repositories, install dependencies, configure environments, and launch complete AI applications with a single script. LM Studio is called full control because users choose model files, adjust hardware usage, select inference settings, and run an OpenAI compatible local API server at localhost. 2. The trade-off is simplicity versus flexibility. Pinokio hides much of the technical setup, which makes deployment easier but gives users less visibility into what is happening behind the scenes. LM Studio provides more direct control, but users still need to understand model sizes, quantization formats, RAM limits, and GPU requirements. 3. The surprise is that many advanced users end up using both. Pinokio often installs AI applications, while LM Studio runs the actual language model powering those applications in the background. Now let me show you a direct comparison in a real-world local AI setup. Imagine someone wants to run a private AI coding assistant. With Pinokio, they can often click an install script that automatically downloads the application, installs Python packages, and handles configuration. The focus is getting the software running quickly. With LM Studio, the process is different. The user selects a GGUF model such as Llama, Quen, Gemma, Mistral, DeepSeek, or Phi, decides how much hardware to allocate, downloads the model, and can expose it through a local API. The focus is controlling exactly which model runs and how it performs. One tool manages applications, the other manages models. So which one is worth it? Depends. Pinokio is the better choice for fast AI application deployment, while LM Studio is better for maximum local model control. The better option is the one that fits your workflow and technical comfort level. That is the full breakdown.